Hello everyone, if you're using Galaxy devices, you must have to use GoodLock application to customize your device properly. GoodLock application download process right now very easy. What you have to do it, just go to your Galaxy app and search GoodLock application. And as you can see that I don't using any VPN. Previously we have to use VPN to use this application download process. Then open it and install GoodLock application on your Galaxy devices. And as you can see that I am successfully download and install GoodLock application on my Galaxy device. So when you open, you can get two options: make up and light up, two options. And both on you can get lot of customization apps, and I am already making some customization video on my YouTube channel. Video link also available in the video description and the I button. Check it out. So that pretty much for today video. If you found this video informative, make sure to like and subscribe this channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.